Hello everyone, so today I'm here to demonstrate my embedded systems project, that is home automation system. Nowadays, everyone wants everything to be completed with a single command or flick of their finger, since they are too busy and lazy to do it themselves. Many people find it annoying that it takes 5 seconds to lock and unlock a door. They appreciate having a green lawn or garden, but they don't like having to get up all the time to switch on and off the sprinklers. Even though they dislike water wasting, they leave them on when it rains. Additionally, as technology develops, criminal activity becomes more sophisticated and crime rates rise daily. With extra keys, burglars may easily unlock any door. It might be challenging to keep track of one's routine independently if one is having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. Also, because carbon monoxide is one of the silent killers, one finds it difficult to sleep at night due to their anxieties about leaks. Another thing one hates is false alarms, so that's why we decided to make this home automation project. Moving on to the components. The hardware components that has been used in this project are Raspberry Pi 4B model with a 4 GB RAM, a laptop, Raspberry Pi charger, 5 volt to 3 ampere, two breadboards, 3 to 4 LED lights, well-designed wooden box which will be used as an house, a buzzer, 2 to 3 ultrasonic sensor, some jumper wires to make the connections, Arduino Uno, USB wire, LiPo battery, foam or thermocol that will be used as a gate which will be opening, a servo motor, and a DC fan. And the software which will be required are Arduino IDE system as well as VNC viewer. So basically, in the working, the project has been divided into two parts. One is controlled by Raspberry Pi and one is by Arduino Uno. So in the part of the Raspberry Pi, we have used the ultrasonic sensor to sense the movement, and a buzzer is used to depict the television. So basically, in the working, a proper distance has been set whenever a person moves in the particular distance that the sound of the buzzer depicts. The television has been switched on, and LED has also been used for the same purpose. That is, the television is switched on, and as you can see in the video, but for the working of the Raspberry Pi, we have to make sure that the charger is always being connected to the Raspberry Pi and the proper internet connection is given to it. And every time we have to run the code for that. The second part, that is the Arduino Uno. The LiPo battery has been used to give power to it. And the project is that whenever will be the ultrasonic sensor will sense the movement, the door will automatically be opened with the help of the servo motor, as you can see in the video. As I mentioned, during the hardware components, we have also used DC fan, but somehow during the making of the project, due to the misconnection of the wires, that was our mistake. The DC fan got burned, and we were not able to use it in our project. And that was the only mishappening that was caused during the making of the project. As depicting in the video, the ultrasonic sensor can be used in every corner of the house. Whenever we'll be in the range of it, the light will be automatically switched on, and whenever we move out, it will get switched off. And additionally, the buzzer system can be used in the windows to detect any criminal activities. So, in the communication part, we are communicating Raspberry Pi 4 and Arduino Uno using I2C communication. Basically, an I2C communication is defined by a two-wire bus and an address. Grounds of the two cards are connected to establish a common potential reference. The SDA BCM2 of Raspberry Pi is connected to the SDA A4 of Arduino, and SCL BCM3 of Raspberry Pi is connected to the SCL A5 of Arduino UNO. And to use the Raspberry Pi I2C interface, it must be enabled in the configuration menu. And the library used to manage I2C communication is the SMBus2 library. At the end of the process, the Raspberry Pi sends the slave command to the Arduino and then receives an array of data from the Arduino. The Arduino receives the slave command and sends two updated values as soon as it receives a request from the Raspberry Pi. So that's how the communication will be set up between the Arduino UNO and Raspberry Pi, and the code for the same is given in the file. And these simple changes will make our life more convenient and secure, and it can assist us in effortlessly controlling the utilities and amenities of the home via the internet. And we can furthermore develop it by connecting all the features to our mobile devices so we can control it with a single touch, and it will lead to the conservation of time, power, and all other forms of energy, and it will enable us to obtain remote access to home features and enhance home security. Thank you, everyone.